Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at this Pulsacoil 2000. It's tripping the house electrics. So we're going to diagnose this and we'll see if we want to repair it as well. So is it worth repairing? So it's tripping, yeah?
Yeah, it's tripping and it makes like a clunk noise if I put it on from the main switch, and then after a few seconds it just goes off again.
Probably here the problem is.
Is there a drip?
Yeah. On the pump.
What's that, down the condenser?
No, it's a pump.
That bottom bit is the pump.
So I think most likely it's leaked onto here. So any other issues? Nope.
Can you see water anyway? It's a loose connection.
So you got a leak here. I don't know if that's leaking. I know this one's leaking, so that's leaking onto that one. What's that for? Okay, that's your hot supply. So your cold supply is going in here. So that's the hot supply. That's going to be sorted. And let's just see what the trip is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all leaking inside there.
It's leaking on top of
The pump.
or is that protection tape?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's water inside it.
Water.
Yeah, water's been inside. I mean, the complaint downstairs that the water's coming through. Is all the building waterproofed?
It's probably waterproof, but they've had no complaints.
Yeah. Okay, that's the state of that.
Okay.
So your pump's definitely gone. That's also got to be sorted.
Yeah.
This one, I don't know if this one's also leaking.
Did you?
Okay, cold water from mains. So that shouldn't be a problem as well. So you gotta sort all this out, John.
Can you give me the part number for the pump, and then I'll try and get hold of one. Now we've diagnosed the Pulsacoil.
The pump needs changing and the plate exchange is leaking on top of it. So that's why the system was tripping out. But that's not the only issue. Now with the spare switch right behind there, I've taken the fuse out of the spare switch, but there's still live going to the boiler. So when I come back, I might have to change the spare switch as well. Now this one is a mission. This is going to be, but let's see. The guy wants it repaired or wants it changed. That's up to him now. Now guys, that's the diagnosis done on it. Now if you guys got a boiler broken down in Birmingham, South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, give us a call. We'll repair it for you. Nope.
Okay, turning off the second one for the lights.
1 second. Yeah, I still got voltage there.
No power.
Yeah.
Okay, turning off.
Guys, thank you for watching our film. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now meanwhile, this spare switch is passing electrics, so I'm going to make that safe before I go.
I guess to change.